Hello everyone and welcome to my channel where I would like to discuss in this video about a few facts about the data itself. While we are talking about the data management and analytics, so data is one of the key factors that we would like to discuss, and I would like to emphasize a few factors about the data itself. So what actually is data? When you talk about the data, the first question actually comes into our mind is what actually is data? So let's say if I've been given a few fruits between which I would like to distinguish which fruit is what. So let's say if I am being given two fruits, let's say the one is is on the top and the second one is on at the bottom. We would like to have a comparison between and to identify which fruit is what. So how can I actually do this? They are actually fruits. Number one, the element, the decisive element is number one. I have been given this information. They are fruits. Okay. So how would I differentiate between these two fruits? Let's say I as an analyst, as a data analyst, I start analyzing this data. So I would like to see what color is this fruit? Is it red? Okay, so it's red. So both of these fruits are different colors. So the first one is red, the other one is orange. Okay, so they are decisively two different fruits. What elements, what other elements do I have at my disposal? So probably I can also think about more on this term, and I will say, hey, let's see what shape is this. Okay, now we have a problem here because all of these both of these fruits are actually the same shape. So is it as a decisive factor? I would say partly yes. Color, yes, that's more concrete information, or maybe what more concrete data about certain element. Shape, I don't think so. It's not a good decisive factor at the moment. What else do I have here? Is it the origin? Okay, now this is probably going into the right direction because the source from where it comes probably can help me out identifying which kind of data is this. So I have three factors upon which I can decide what kind of fruit is this. I can clearly see that they are different in color, they are different, they are probably same in shape and different origins. So they are definitely different. But in order, but this is what I actually have. So I cannot decide which fruit is this. So I will stay on this point, and I would like to take this discussion further. And I will say the data itself are the facts about an object. So they are the concrete facts about an object. But in order to distinguish between these two elements, I would like to have some more information in order or maybe I would like to process this data in the form of information, in which I would like to discuss in the next videos. So you have facts about an object, which is the foundation of the data. This data is raw and unprocessed. That is very important because you can still use the processed data, but it is also always good to have the data from the source or the origin so that you can actually have more space in order to analyze this data and find out more facts about this data. Without data, the thing is, we are talking about data analytics and management and processing. So without data, there's no analytics possible at all. So the data is the foundation of all data warehousing, analytics, and whatever branches you are actually dealing with. And without data, it's just an opinion. This is a well-known saying you might have heard about on different platforms. So without the data, it's just an opinion. So you just have an opinion, but you can't really have a concrete evidence of what is there, and you don't have a concrete you don't have a decision. So you can't really achieve a decision without the data. So the data is the core of the data warehousing or any data management or whatever analytics that you are actually trying to do, regardless of which what you are actually trying to achieve, is impossible. So thank you very much for listening up to this far, and I would like to have to wish you a great day and stay tuned for the more videos. Thank you very much. Bye.